Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to play Archero 2 with friends. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so in order to do this, we can play via co-op modes. So this is the primary co-op mode in Archero 2, often referred as Hero Duo or Archero Duo. Now, how it works. So you and a friend team up to tackle a 100-stage gauntlet featuring challenging enemies and boss fights every 10 stages. One player hosts a room and shares a 5-digit room code to invite the other player. Each player chooses their own hero, weapon, and abilities independently. Now, another way to do this is via Sanctuary Co-op mode. So this is a newer cooperative mode, often referred to as Sanctuary Co-op, has been introduced more recently. The name suggests a fresh take on co-op gameplay, possibly with different settings or mechanics, and has been advertised as a game changer. Recent updates reported fixed early issues with this mode, improving performance and making co-op smoother and more reliable.